po ang main building ng institution. This is the oldest building ng Canosa Academy. It is named after Saint Magdalene of Canosa. Siya po ang founder ng Canosa Academy. Located sa building na ito ang Cashiers and Registrar's Office, elementary classrooms ng grade 4, 5, and 6, faculty room for elementary teachers, library, science laboratory, at marami pang iba. Let's walk you through sa loob. Tara po! Sa left side niyo po ay ang Registrar's Office. While nasa right side nyo naman po ay ang Cashier's Office. These offices manage student records and handle financial transactions related sa enrollment, tuition, and other school fees. Feel free to look around the area since narito rin po ang lounging area for visitors. Bago po tayo dumaan sa hallway na ito, pumunta po muna tayo dito sa left side. If we follow this corridor, this staircase leads up to AVR o Audio Visual Room. On this side naman, dito matatagpuan ang Secretary's Office, pati ang Director's Office. Ayun lamang po sa side na ito. Balik po ulit tayo. This is the property custodian, or also known as the printing office. Itong hagdan pong ito, it only leads up to library. Akyat po tayo and watch your step. Welcome sa library. This library is filled with valuable knowledge and educational resources for students. Malawak ang library dito. Meron din po silang computer labs to fully grasp knowledge in various ways through technology. If you're eager to learn more, pumunta lang kayo dito sa library. Balik na po tayo sa baba. Ahead of this hallway ay ang mga elementary classrooms of grade 4, 5, and 6, science laboratories, conference room, and other faculty offices. There are 3 classrooms named after saints: Saint Lorenzo Ruiz, Saint Martin de Porres, and Saint Vincent de Paul. We have arrived at the end of the hallway. Makikita po natin dito ang SAP Office, Student Activity Program, at Alay Pag-ibig Center. Ang layunin ng APC is to respond sa mga pangangailangan, hubugin ang kabataan sa pagmamahal at malasakit sa mga mahihirap, and empower lay partners to serve alongside them. Now that we are here sa labas, ito ang Garden of Joy, a small place to hang out surrounded by plants. It is a nice place to hang out kasi maaliwalas at napapaligiran ng halaman. Tapos na natin malibot ang area na ito.